I, Brijesh Singh, Vice Principal of S Convent School, respected guardians and our Honorable Manager Sir, respected Principal Sir and our loving children. Definitely I want to focus the importance of education. My institution has been connected for provide the meaningful, fruitful education to our guardians, to our loving children. This doesn't matter what kind of infrastructure has been allotted in particular school, in particular institution, but this counts what the events are being delivered. I can say with full of confidence, whatever the structure of my institution has been established, definitely pre-oriented of the proper development of the children. I can say with all confidence here, because education doesn't carry only the knowledge of books. You are taking the awareness of knowledge of books, you are getting the proper channelized system of your bookish system, doesn't matter. Education makes the personality of human being, which is generated from the childhood. It is one of the most important fact we have to focus, that our little kids from nursery to 12th standard, instead of education, instead of getting the education, what steps are very necessary to further survive here. So I want to share my attitudes here. This S Convent School has ready to provide all kinds of the dimensional education, which is the perfection role of the personality in the human being life. I don't have an idea, I don't have target to make a just bookish student or in future he is going to survive his the economic infrastructure. I concentrated to overall across the development of the paramount situation, a good being human being. This is my target. Taking these targets, taking these destinations, I have launched whatever infrastructure my school totally oriented to children proper development there. And whatever is my campus, totally centralize the dimensional monthly purpose development of children. From LKG to 12th standards, our well qualified teacher, our well infrastructure, our trained teachers, this is not going to be advertised matter. We are just showing. I don't have the narrow mind that you have to follow any school, we have to follow any institution. Our management thinking is this something do extraordinary to place on the society. They are not going to follow any structure. They don't have any competition from any institution. They do something extraordinary in society. They want to contribute some society. They want to take the enhanced position of the taking personality development. Those students who are very, very, very grateful and beneficial for the many good human being for the society and must be able to take the proper contribution to development of the society. This is the main education. This is the main education. Our management infrastructure of our school sustains these qualities here. LKG to 12th standard. All the students are being taught not only getting the proper destination of life, but he or she must be proved herself, himself a very outstanding by incredible citizen in coming time there. So this is the motto of my life. This is motto of life. First of all, we have to be good human being, and this target is going to be survived by our honorable manager sir, and just taking the infrastructure of the S Convent School from the bottom to the top orders, every facilities has been provided just because of enhancing the qualities of student. They can be skilled. They are not going to the suffocated just getting the government job. Education is going to provide it here, just getting the skilled person. They must be capable to survive their life in good standard form. So I just need of your cooperation. I loving attitudes express our request to all my guardians. Please try to understand the emotions. Please try to understand our respected management emotions, and work facilities has been allotted. You must to take the centralized portion. What I want to say? Just I want to come the timing speed 8:20 from 8:20 to 2:20. The time issues has been increased. I just want to focus a little matter what as the proposal is demanded. Just I want to say that the proper training of student, the period classes have been increased, just because of every teacher has to be able provide proper explanation in the class. Every teacher must have able to contact to the student, and individual caring should be provided. This is the main motto of increasing time. I don't have any kind of mental illness to dominate infrastructure, because what infrastructure has been given, we just sustain permanently for the benefit of the student here. So please, requested guardians, requested my students here, don't take is otherwise. This is the preliminary sacrifice of a student, because this is the student life. These 4, 5, 6 year sacrifice is going to the cooperate of your life. So this struggle sustains your life. As the connection of teacher maximize in your personalities, classes should be increased, infrastructure oriented technology should be given attached. They will get more and more advantage. Doesn't matter our kids are spending 1 or 2 hours more in the school. We have the positive attitude behind it. Nothing is going to the wrong here. Like such sacrifices can be done, because we don't have follow the other school infrastructure. We are not going to the professional. Every steps we think about the positivity to take the proper development of a student. So the respected guardians, personally I want to take the request, you please take it positive and take the handle of a student. Sometimes have been increased. So the behind it, this is the very positive cause and approach of the mental awareness and generating your capacity towards the nation, towards the country, and make the proper maturity and tremendous maturity to particular student individual. Infrastructure, our smart class, our classes, IT cell, and every infrastructure here, our honorable management has registered his mindset. It doesn't matter of economical system, he sacrificed himself for the pro-oriented college of the student here. So this is the timing. Last 2 days, we are receiving a lot of unsatisfied condition that the time of school has been increased. I want to prayer and join to my hand, please take it positively. I understand the emotion of your kids, I understand the emotion of your, but definitely we have to sacrifice something. We have to create, we have to exercise something extraordinary in the society. Until we are not going to gain pain, we are not slightly just like the diamond. So please kindly request to all my guardians, take 1-2 hours for your child benefit, for your child personality development. I have exercised such of activities here, because we want to close contact of the between teacher and student. We want to spend much time, much conversation, individually caring. Just needs time. This is the main purpose of our life. I don't have any kind of hidden agenda. I don't have any kind of think that our teachers are staying 2 hours more. Our whole staff are cooperating you. One of the biggest form of their proper development of your children, or we are collectively trying to convert your dreams, whatever you expect from any institution. We are not standing just the competition of any school. We don't want to prove anything extraordinary for the other comparison of a school. I want to do something extraordinary. I just need your cooperation. Any kind of impractical problems, just you can touch the school, you can take the telephonic contact here, and infrastructure should be observed. But finally, I want to pray you, please, 1-2 hours more time has been allotted. You have to take it positively. These students have been glued positions are after some time they will get the proper maturities and mental strength, and definitely they will be able to survive the every circumstances of life. So this is the agenda of our management, this is the agenda of our whole school structures, and his respected management is trying to provide all kind of facilities which are the extra beneficial for the year. And trust to management, trust to teaching staff, trust to all my whole staff, your child, your kid, your ward is absolutely safe in my campus. We are constantly caring, we don't have any kind of the hidden agenda about this. So finally we will deliver regular interval videos, just promote the inspirational videos to the children and guardians. But I want to join my hands for my all guardians. Please try to understand what the matter is going to be delivered. What do I want to say? What do I want to explain? You have to take the centralization, because little bit comfort of the students, little bit comfort of the student is not going to be the solid. Just we have to the capture of the mental strength. After being greater in the life, they, she or he can be able to surprisingly widely identify for his mental smartness, for his physical smartness, and definitely at that time you will realize whatever the step has been taken by the management, definitely something extraordinary, something extraordinary. So finally, just ending off my fact, one of the target today, you have to be the cooperate for our timing. Don't take it is in negativity, positivity, enhance, cooperate your inspiration of your child, be motivated, and absolutely we are putting our caring institutes a totally centralization of enhance of your child structure. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.